Alright, let's just make sure we're going live, and not yet. Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of RJ's live streams, I guess. We're back in good old Game Builder Garage again, because reasons. So yeah, let's just get kind of into this. So we're back in Game Builder Garage doing another little stream about the flight sim. I was originally going to put up a 3D printer video today where I put together a 3D printer and review it. But unfortunately I didn't really get it all set up right, and it's kind of doing a thing. Also, if I did get the video, done and stuff, it would create it would take so much time to really edit and get done. So, so desperate times call for desperate measures, I guess. And so we've always got this to fall back on. I was going to make this the video for today, but you know what? I was like, I need to push through on this stuff, because at this point, we've wasted a bunch of time on this series by just only making the title screen and the thing that makes sure that the user gets to where they must go at this point. So I believe it is in order that we start putting in a bit of a thing. So what our plan is for today is to actually start getting in our basic controls, such as throttle and a bunch of other things as well. So yeah, let's see. So what we need to do is we're going to get in a counter it adds first, so this way we can just do the thing. This way we can also control our forward-backward speed, and yeah. This way we can have a throttle system, kind of like how it should be. So yeah, it tracks that. For now, let's just move our camera out a bit. And as we can see, we're going at a speed. Let's see. So our next little procedure is to, let's just make it a little bit of a slower one, because we only want to go from 0 to 1 at this point. But anyways, yes. We'll do it in a range from 0 to 1. It may seem very small, but, thing has to happen. Yeah, we can't really have reverse thrust, so, that would be a thing. Alright. Just lower that down to about... Actually, let's just keep it as it is, but we're going to divide everything by 10. Which I'm pretty sure is a pretty good thing. Actually, it would be by 100, because we want to get it to under, like, 0.1 or something like that. Because we want it to be, like, 0.1 equals 1% at this point. So, yeah. So let's see. Let's just divide by 100. Make it simple. So this way we could slowly bring it up, like we can normally. Eventually we will bind this to another thing, like some kind of moving bar or rotating bar or something like that. And we will make it count up. And yeah. And that's pretty good. We're also going to program in our left-right thing, or everything else. And yeah. Let's not use that one. Let's use the right stick. No, actually we need left, right. There we go. And then we've got our basic controls. Now what I'm going to do is I'm also going to probably have that just move itself, I guess. We're going to put a little... We're going to make it like a follow cam, though. Because, yeah. because of reasons. You do want to be able to see things like, you know, add a bit of a thing. Alright. So, yeah. Because we're already seeing the whole UFO assembly thing, but we don't see anything else. Also, we could go way faster than this, I suppose. Let's see if moving to 2 does anything. Yeah. It doesn't do much, really. So, yeah, that's enjoyable. Yeah. But anyway, so, yeah. This is the basis of the flight simulator at this point. That's pretty much how it is. That's pretty okay, I guess. And of course, we've got the end of the whole thing, the actual void. That's also a thing. Also, I don't think the controls on this were really designed for use with these kinds of things, you know, with all this in mind. It's going to be a bit of a concern for me, though. Anyways, so yeah. So yeah, we've got the game. And for some reason I've been dumped back onto the menu screen. And I should probably... Oh wait, I've gone to my demo thing that I made for some other stuff. Alright, let's go to this. And what we'll also do is we'll put in a bit of a speed threshold thing where we will finally get some lift after at least a tiny bit of time. So, well, let's see. We need a speed that is greater than that. And if so, we can have lift. And let's see. Motion, we need to have a constant. So if speed is greater than 1, we get lift. However, one thing that I'm a bit concerned about is the fact that it only works immediately when we get the speed. So it's a bit of a concern. So what we're also going to do is we're also going to put in a time thing where if it's been at that speed, there will be some kind of counter thing. Let's see if we could get a timer. There we go. It will start a timer, and then if it outputs like that. And we'll probably also use like the 1 second metric here. And up, down. That's a bit odd, not gonna lie. Output, just one. We'll keep that to be what's infinite because we want to continue outputting. But what's weird is, oh, I see what happened here. Okay, that makes sense. Here we go. Let's just make this that, like that. Now our problem is fixed. There we go. And we should be able to make our way up very soon. But we don't. So let's see. I should probably also set up a bit of a landing strip here just so we can have a bit of an expectation of what I kind of want it to kind of land or exit in. There we go, 10 meters, hopefully. And where did it go? Let's see. That's as low as it'll go. Movable it isn't, destructible or destructive it isn't. And it's still not there. It's a bit concerning. Let's just set the color to what we need it to look like. Well, I'm not too concerned about this because I just need to be able to basically make my way up. I should be able to get up somewhere in some way, shape, or form just by using this very confusing code. Now that we're up there, yeah, we got comparison. But I think I see what's happening. If 1 is greater than 1, then no. Yeah. Very simple issue. Here we go. Now after a while we should be able to rise up, hopefully. So let's see. Okay. So let's see. Do we get to go up? No, we do not. That's sad. Alright. Well. Alright, let's just get back to our little bit of garbage here. What I might do is I might set up a flag to make sure that to just get it to go up, down instead temporarily. And then we will do on, but if it is not the speed that we need, then it is off. There we go. Yeah, that would work. So now we can just put the timer's weight to just output like only for like 1 second. There we go. Okay, we're able to get off the ground now. So now we need to solve the issue of how do we make sure that we can keep a constant speed while doing the thing. So let's see. Now we just need a NOT gate. Off. And now if the speed is any greater, we should be okay. And then what we've got to do is we've got to make sure that if it is not on, that it actually goes down to like to -1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of these boys in, and we will also put in we should also put in a little bit of a NOT gate, so this way if everything just fails to do it, so basically if it slows down, it can actually go down as well. So there we go. So let's see, we're out of speed. And now let's just get off of there. And perfection. So we can actually fly now. That's a thing. Yeah, and that's pretty enjoyable, actually. We should probably actually make the camera be a little off by a bit, because, yeah, I don't like kind of seeing on the inside of the UFO that's controlling this, so we will make it watch from a bit of a distance. I think 5 meters is in order. Just so we can make sure that when we go and do the thing, it'll actually do its job. And let's just make sure of that. And, oh, we are very off. So let's just put that up to an actual positive 5. And there we go. Off the ground we are, kind of like a traditional plane, I guess. And we land. And there you go. It's kind of basic. It doesn't really work. What I might do is I may work on the collision system, so this way, if it actually collides with the ground and stuff, you know. I may also add in some stuff for like changing how it does operate the forward backward like this, because yeah, this is a bit of a problem. We should also put in a bit of a hidden wall like this one here, because yeah, we could just fall out of the world scot-free, I believe, and that is not good. So you know, I mean, luckily we're able to keep a hold on it, so we're down. And yeah. So this is the basic control scheme for normal planes, already kind of done. That's pretty nice. I'll also probably do the helicopter and UFO one, because that's just simple as just mod the thing to do the other thing and other stuff like that. Now, one big issue I may run into is the fact that we need to get a real actual plane in this thing. So this way, when we do have a thing, we can just teleport over the plane and be done with it. I will put in the teleports because, yeah, reasons. Wherever the teleporters just may or may not be. Because what we are going to do is we will teleport it to the best of our abilities, and yeah. So let's see. Flag, counter, random, logic, comparison, program logic, retrans. And touch, all that good stuff. State change, object break. Okay, we need to. I kind of wish they put in a bit of a search feature for this stuff, but Nintendo's probably not going to make updates to this program yet. All right. Convert, calculate, wormholes, no. We just need a teleport. We'll also probably put in an explosion whenever things happen. And we'll probably also put it on our UFO as well, just so when we collide with things, it's not anticlimactic. I just have to program in that. convert timer, try play sound other. Now this is definitely very oversimplified due to compared to how everything really is, so you know. It's almost like they removed it or something. Who knows? Angle difference equals greater than less than and not. Timer program layout. Change world, play sound. Bit odd though. There we go. It was just hidden. Alright, just put an entrance kind of as a box for a model. And then we'll just go from there alongside the control systems. And then we will make that an exit. We'll just link an exit to that. Good, we have our little box of teleportation on us, so that's pretty good. We should probably also put in a bit of a thing for the camera so we can just move that around as we please. Down and left, right. There we go. Horizontal. And then good. Now we can see a majority of our things, and pretty much the stuff is there. We just need to do a little bit of artwork with making planes and stuff. We need to finish up the control layouts for stuff like helicopters, which is pretty simple. It's just a matter of making sure things work. UFOs are also pretty simple and pretty much the same at this point. It's just a matter of getting things to just do what they must. But anyways, so yeah. I think this is an instance of I'll probably end the stream here. I guess if you like what you saw, please leave a like and subscribe, I guess. But yeah, this turned out pretty okay, actually. So yeah. I think that's where I'm going to end today's video. And